Hi, I'm Coast and this is Lessons from the Coast, and today I'm going to be giving you a lesson on how to make homemade pizza dough. So first in a mixer, you're going to want to add 3.5 to 4 cups of flour. Bread flour is better than regular flour for making dough, and 1 envelope of dry instant yeast. That's equal to 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast. So if you don't have envelopes, that you can do that. And then also 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of salt. So now you're gonna want to get some water and you're just gonna pour it into this, and you're gonna want to add it into it while it is mixing. I've noticed it's best to use water that's a bit hotter than just warm, so a little bit less than simmering, and so about like 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so now that it's pretty well mixed up, you're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and that's gonna moisten it down a bit more. And by then, if your dough is still pretty crumbly, you want to add a bit more water to it. But if it's a bit too wet, if it's just really almost soupy, then you want to add some more flour. Okay, so now you're gonna get this and put it into a bowl or and put some plastic wrap on it, and then you are going to put it in a warm place to let it rise for about an hour, if not longer. And this is gonna get it more airy and not as dense, and this is a very important step if you want a airy dough. So soon I'm going to be making videos on how to make pizza sauce and how to grill a pizza, and so check that out. It should be out pretty soon. And also please like, subscribe, comment down below on things that you would like to see. It doesn't just have to be about cooking, and share this to someone you know.